you want to take some wings to next July the 4th barbecue that'll steal the show? These red, white, and blue sauce wings will do that. I'm Jason Hardy with Elite Barbecue Smokers, and today I'm showing you 3 epic barbecue sauces for some wings that have everybody talking about it. What we got here is a sweet blueberry chipotle rub, we got a buffalo red wing sauce, and we got an Alabama white. Now, all that being stated, let's get to prepping so we can cook it. Come on, you want to try these bad boys. Sizzle action going. So we're cooking these wings today on my Rectac 1250 at 275 degrees. We're using royal charcoal to hickory and pellet blend mix. Really good charcoal. And we'll cook these today until I get internal temperature on my drum mats, my flats, of 175 to 180 degree range. So we're going for it today. What I want to do when I'm doing this is I want to make sure I don't have my chicken wings over this area because there's a lot of direct heat and I don't want to do that. So kind of just spread them out a little bit. Let them keep cooking. We'll keep spritz them about every 20 to 30 minutes here. We got the spritz here, which is a 1 part Mott's white apple grape juice, along with 1 part apple cider vinegar. I want to do this kind of make sure I get that color on the outside of them, that crispiness we're looking for. But now we'll go inside, we'll make the sauces, so we got these bad boys ready. So come on, see you inside. Pretty cool, ain't it? So for our blue sauce today, we're doing a blueberry chipotle mix. Start off with a cup of blueberries. Add in some honey, 3 tablespoons of honey. I'm gonna add 2 peppers of this and a little bit of sauce. About a tablespoon of some lemon juice, pinch of salt, pinch of some black pepper. I'm gonna turn this one, got some kind of medium heat, break everything down. All right, add about a 1/4 cup of Mott's 100% apple white grape juice. All right, turn this off at the heat. Now I'll put this and blend this together. I'm using a bullet blender. That's what we got. Now I gotta mix together. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of butter to it. It's already warm, kind of let it melt itself down. I'll put this here on the back. And I can always add more heat to it if I need to. Let it melt down. Now let's make the Alabama white sauce. I'll put a cup of Duke's mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, a tablespoon of lemon juice, a tablespoon of prepared horseradish, a pinch of black pepper, a pinch of kosher salt, about a teaspoon of garlic powder. Put it on low heat. Kind of get all the stuff kind of mixed together good. As soon as it starts getting warm, turn the heat off, let it calm down. And that's our white sauce. And for our buffalo sauce, we can go with something simple today. We can go with Sweet Baby Ray's buffalo wing sauce. Pretty cool, ain't it? Now let's get back to the smoker. Let's spritz the wings again. Be right back. All right, 40 minutes into it. So we got starting to look good, ain't they? I'm gonna take some duck fat now. Spray on there a little bit here. Gonna crispy up some more. Be right back. All right, we're an hour into the cook. Let's see what we got. Look good, ain't they? 172 there. 180 there. 165 over here. Anyhow, we're gonna let these keep cooking just a few more minutes. Check it. As soon as they start hitting 175, then we'll start saucing them up. Pretty cool, ain't it? Pretty warm out here today too. All right, been about 10 minutes. Let's see what we got. 200 on that one. 180 here. 176 there. All right. So what I've got here, I got 3 bread pans right here. So I'm gonna start taking them and just dropping them in the bread pans. I'm gonna turn this thing down to 225. Sorry about that. Take the white sauce, dump it on. Cook these good with it. The other question about it is, we're gonna go with the Alabama sauce today. Can you make it ahead of time? Yes, you can make this a couple days ahead of time, put it in the refrigerator. There's nothing wrong with that. And you can kind of adjust the flavors you're looking for. You wanna add some sweetness to it, experiment with it on that. Now I'm gonna take the blueberry sauce. So with a blueberry chipotle glaze, one of the questions is, how do you keep the glaze from burning on the grill? Well, we're at 275. I'll go put that glaze in there. I'm gonna turn it down about 225, just tone it down a little bit. I just wanna set the glaze and not burn it too much. So that's a good trick with that. Take this and pour this over the top of this one. Toss this in also. A couple questions to address, like your hot sauce, buffalo hot sauce. I'm using Sweet Baby Ray's today because I like the flavor of it. But if you wanna make it, it's pretty simple. It's 1 part hot sauce, 1 part butter. Kind of pretty simple. All right, let's get back in the smoker. Look kind of wild, don't it? It's crazy, ain't it? Look at that. That's wicked. It's so cool. Hey, if you found the video useful and you liked the information, do me a favor, give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Tell us anything about this recipes, which one you like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And also hit the alert button. All that being stated, let's get back to cooking. It's been pretty cool. Alright, let's see what we got. I want to make sure that sauce is just tacky. Just like that. Yeah, it's just tacky. It's not really sticking to anything. That's what we're looking for. I poured excess glaze out of this. Just gonna use these pans to put these back in. Ooh, see that catch? Did you see that catch? Take these inside, let them rest, and then we're gonna taste these bad boys. And we'll be right back. All right, you ready? Got them plated up here. Now let's taste them. Let's start with the blueberry. Put bones out. Bones out. The blueberry chipotle's got really good flavor to it. It's very mild heat, so if you want some more heat to it, you can add some more heat to it, or don't put some apple juice in there. But I think it's really delicious. But again, it's up to you. Now let's try the buffalo wings. I love Sweet Baby Ray's buffalo wing sauce. The sweetness, back end heat to it, I'm picking up now. But everything's perfect. Got good texture to it. Totally great flavored chicken. Something that definitely serves the people. But if you don't like heat, again, it's buffalo wings. You don't necessarily want to do that. Now let's try the Alabama white. Right here. Chicken's delicious. The Alabama white sauce wings, absolutely delicious. Great flavor to them and everything else. But if you don't like mayonnaise, you're not gonna really want that. Same thing if you don't like blueberries, you're not gonna like this one. If you don't like hot sauce, you're not gonna like this one. This is a good thing to carry for red, white, and blue. Kind of give a little theme to the party. Hey, y'all, do me a favor. Give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Tell me which of these sauces you want to try. Also, which one you want me to try next. I'd love to hear about that. And please subscribe to our channel and make sure you hit that alert button. Appreciate that. Now it's time to say the blessing. Go inside and eat. But first, let's see what Dolly and Lucy thinks. Come on, girls. Dolly, Lucy, Lucy. Good girl. Good girl. Dolly, come on. Dolly. Well, Dolly liked it and Lucy liked it. If they like it, I know you'll fall in love with it. Now say the blessing. Lord, bless food by our receive. Just name pray. Amen. This is delicious. See you next time.